Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to copy a message, text and Instagram DM. So that's actually so easy. You can just, for example, on WhatsApp or any other social media, you can just tap on the hold the message, and then you will have the option of either you can copy it, or you can delete it, or you can forward it, etc. And Instagram is not an exception. It's as the same as the other platforms or the other social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Telegram, etc. So let's dive in and see how you can copy a message text in the DMs of Instagram. So let's launch our app, Instagram. So tap on it and it will be launched. Sorry. And right here and the home page, as you can see, we can get through our DMs just by going into that icon right on the top right corner. Tap on it. Alright, so here what I want to do is to go to that conversation that you want to copy a message in. And for example, I will just go for a random conversation like that one. Okay, so in this conversation, what I want to do is to go into the message that I want to copy. For example, I want to copy that message. I will tap and hold it, and right here, as you can see, there are multiple choices or options. So I want to go into this option, copy. Tap on it and go to your chat to paste it, for example, or to check if you have copied it, and tap on hold and tap the bar, the chatting bar, and after that go into paste. Alright, and yeah, this is the same message that I already copied. Anyways, that's it. That's how to copy message text and Instagram DM. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.